How's it going, guys? Cocardude here with my 97 GT that I've had for the last 10 years. Actually going on 11 years now, but it's always had some dents and dings in it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but there's a lot of nasty little dents and dings in the panels. I bought this car with a lot of damage to it about 10 years ago, and we're gonna try to get it cleaned up. Wes is a master at PDR. We'll get this PDR light hooked up to it so you can kind of see the damage. I don't know if the camera will really pick up on it well, but there's a big dent right here, big dent right here, big dent right here, and it's kind of, the whole panel's rippled. It almost looks like someone tried to fix it. There we go. Now you can see right there. Right in here, there's just a ton of rippling in the panel. And then when you look down the sides of it, there's quite a few door dings and stuff all down the side of it too. So fortunately, I share a shop with one of the best PDR guys in northern Colorado. So he's gonna take care of my car for me. We kind of take care of each other's stuff. I polished up his F-150 for him, so he's gonna fix some dents for me. And you know, I love this car. It's near and dear to my heart. Also has a little bit of light hail damage that I want to get fixed, but you know, it's high mileage, but it's a great car, so it's in pretty good shape for the most part. The body's not really great. A lot of deep dents and stuff right here that probably aren't fixable without a body shop. Dent here, that's probably not fixable without a body shop repair. But and the trunk lid has a lot of hail damage as well from the last couple storms that we had. And then this panel's actually got a lot of Bondo, so that's gonna need a body shop repair. Eventually I'll do a full body shop repair on it and respray the whole thing. I am gonna get this wing painted soon, just because I'm tired of it uncoated. I'm gonna change these taillight things back to white and just kind of change up the look of it. And I also want to put coilovers and stuff on it because it's just sitting too high in the rear. And then I need some traction brackets and whatnot too. So let's see if we can get this cleaned up. Oh, we got her all cleaned up. Took about an hour or so. And my gosh, Wes really got it taken care of. Denaway, he knows what he's doing. He's been doing this for 15 years, so he's one of the best in the business as far as PDR goes. But I mean, you can see here, big dinger. I don't even know where it was, somewhere in here. Got all the ripples out of the top of the panel here, which looks like someone did bad PDR, tried to fix it themselves, I don't know, but it was horrible. Then he went down, cleaned up the doors, quarter panel, which that quarter's got a lot of Bondo, so we just fixed, you know, the dents that we could on it. Which was actually a handful. And then coming over here to this side on the driver's side, there were a ton of dents in here. In this door, I should have shown you before, but there were probably 15 dents all along this door here. The quarter panel probably had 20 or so dents in it as well. The only one we couldn't fix with PDR was this one down here, because this is a double walled panel right here. There's no way to get tool access in there and fix that. So that one's still there, which is kind of a bummer, but you know, all the rest of them got cleaned out. And so, my gosh, I mean, when you look down the side of this thing, it's straight now. There were probably 20 or 30 dents just in this driver's side alone. And then passenger side, front fender probably had 10 or 15 in it. Door and quarter had another probably 10 or 15 in it. So fixed probably 30 dents on this thing, all in all, between outward dents and inward dents and little imperfections. So, you know, it's little things that make cars look a lot cleaner, and just having straight panels certainly helps. Obviously it's not worth a lot, but I have a lot of sentimental value for this car, so that's why it's one of those things that is important to me. Certainly something that I love, so to me it's worth it to spend the time and the money to get it right. So anyways, if you have any doubts about PDR, you know, find a reputable PDR technician, and they can take care of a lot of damage for a lot less time, effort, and money than getting a car resprayed. So this car really needs a respray, but it's probably not going to happen for a couple years, just because I want to make sure I can get it to a point where it won't get dented again and where I can keep it nice. So we'll get it redone eventually. I am gonna get the spoiler painted though here, hopefully in the next month or two. So anyways, super excited. I've been waiting about 10 years to get these dents fixed, and finally happened, so I'm grateful for getting it done.